Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we have an article it's a good one because it touches on a point on a topic that we feel is a real issue among the driving community in our society and probably across the world. But the title is "What Happens If You Get Hit by an Uninsured Driver?" Right? If you, I mean. We're nerds about insurance, so we look at the stats all the time. But honestly, if you have time, check out the stats on uninsured and underinsured motorists. It'll blow your mind. So the article points out kind of the states with the most uninsured and least uninsured, and I think it's Maine and Florida, and the gap is from like 5% to 27%, but the average is about 13%, which I think that's incredibly high. So like it's the law to have minimum insurance, a requirement to drive in most states, and by most we're talking about 95% of the states. So to have 13% of drivers not even have insurance is illogical to me, right? That doesn't stack up, doesn't make much sense. And then the other statistic is about, what is it? About 18 or 20% of drivers are underinsured. So if you combine those two, it's about a third of drivers are either underinsured or uninsured. Now, this article is about uninsured, right? But we'll get to underinsured in a different article, but that's also a huge issue. But if you get into an accident, some states require you to have uninsured motorist insurance, right? UMI is what it's called. And obviously, if you have this, you get into an accident, you're just for argument's sake, you're in an at-fault state, right? So the person who is considered at fault for the accident has to pay for the damages to everybody, basically. So you're in an at-fault state. If you have UMI, then that kicks in, boom, you're fine, right? If you don't have UMI, then you've got serious issues. You'll have a problem trying to claw back and get payments for any property damage or bodily injury, right? Because then you have to sort of rely on your health insurance and or comprehensive and collision insurance, right? Which the insurance company may not honor that, right? Because it was an uninsured motorist, that you weren't at fault, you don't have uninsured motorist coverage, so technically they wouldn't have to cover it, they wouldn't have to pay, right? So if you're in any of those states that does not require UMI, I'm not even gonna say, like, our stance is not even to think about. You should have it, right? A third of drivers out there are either uninsured or underinsured. It's a good coverage to have for. It does increase the price, but it gives you peace of mind if you find yourself in those unfortunate times where you've gotten into an accident and the person who you are in an accident with does not have insurance, right? Or is underinsured, right? So great article. Once again, it uncovers something that you don't really think about. It's a small coverage, but a very, very, very important one. And hopefully, obviously with insurance becoming a bit more digitized and easy to consume, that uninsured and underinsured percentage of total drivers, hopefully that numbers continues to go down. Okay? Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll chat next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.